are you? Sleepy Calvin. You ready for today? Well, you're not doing anything today. But we're going to Ikea. Oh, you're so cute. 5 more minutes of sleep? Okay. Hello!
Hello!
We're going to Ikea! Woo! I'm excited. I know I say I'm excited in every video, but that's because I'm a very easily excitable person. Unlike those two back there.
Yay.
I would never get excited about anything.
Footage from Christmas tree.
Insert footage from Christmas tree. What do you think?
Hard work. It paid off.
Do you like the tree?
Yeah, it's great.
See, this is what I mean. They're not excited about anything and they sound very apathetic even though they really enjoyed it, I think, right?
Yep.
Right? Right?
Yes.
We're here. It's very sunny outside, which is lovely. So we're just gonna go eat first and then go do other IKEA related activities.
Super busy.
It's very busy. We had to park on the top floor.
Yep.
Because of the parking.
Which is unfortunate.
It is, and there were spaces closer to the thing as well, and I didn't park there, and now we're all the way over here.
We'll be fine.
I want some chips.
Yeah, let's go get some chips. Let's go get a basket as well. I started off with good intentions wanting to film, but I completely forgot. We're out of IKEA now. And we bought a lot of stuff.
Guess how much it cost us?
Guess how much everything cost us?
£3.
£3 because we had a voucher. So this feels a bit like daylight robbery because we bought a lot of stuff. But
2 full bags.
2 full bags of stuff. And something for our shoes in there also.
Successful.
And some beer juice. Some beer juice.
And some beer juice.
Beer juice.
It's gross.
Suc de bere.
Suc de bere.
Suc de bere.
Yeah, bun.
Bun. It's a bit like if you leave Coca-Cola out just a bit too long.
And put cinnamon in it.
It starts to become alcoholic.
And put cinnamon in it.
Yes, I'm not drinking. This isn't actually alcoholic. I should point out before I drive. Right? Yeah, we're good. It's a soft drink.
It's quite late.
We're not going anywhere.
Unless any of us can drive. It's quite late now, so.
And cold.
And cold. We're in a bit of a hurry to get home, but it was so nice. Food was nice. I filmed that, but nothing else. Sorry. another day, another Christmas activity, and it's very bright, so I'm going to close my eyes and crash into something. Today I'm going to go buy some Christmas decorations for the office, so I'm at work now. We're doing a Christmas decoration challenge at work, so whoever has like the most decorated desk wins, and we've decided to go with the theme Mega Tacky. So I'm gonna go try to find the tackiest Christmas decorations I can in Pound Stretcher and see if we win the competition. Has been acquired. I'm quite excited with my finds actually. They're so tacky, it's great. I think we're going to win this thing, guys.